Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add and verify the Google Search Console on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, I won't be able to show you guys anything through WordPress itself since it does require a plugin, and plugins are only confined to the business plan and up, and I am currently on the free version, so I do not have anything available at the moment. Now, what you will need is the plugin called the Google Site Kit, which you can download off of the WordPress plugin marketplace. And then once you activate it and install it, then you'll be able to connect the Google Search Console, and you do so by the following. You need to go into your Search Console account and then click Add a Property from your dashboard, and then from there on, you need to upload an HTML file for ownership. You just need to download this file, and then you just need to upload it to your site. Once you do, and the way you do this is you need to upload it via FTP or any other way. You can use FileZilla or whatever FTP client you have, and then you just need to go into the WP content folder and the wp-config file, etc. And yeah, you just need to drag the file over here and just upload it there. And then you just need to go to the console and click verify. And once that verifies, your process will be pretty much complete. And that is all you need to do to connect the two. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.